Hi friends, I am Suresh Kumar. Today I am going to teach trick to find crystal system and its parameters. This topic is very important topic for your examination. This topic comes under solid state. Okay, let us move to the topic. These questions are asked previously in various examinations. Look at these questions. If you by heart types of crystal systems and its parameters like distance, angle, interaction angle, you can answer these questions. Look at this, isn't it? I will show you all-in-one table for answering these questions. Wait. This is the all-in-one table for crystal system and its parameters. Okay. How can you remember this table for your examination? I will show you how to write and remember this table. First, you draw a table with these crystal system, axial distance, interaction angle, Bravais lattice, Schonflies notation. This is nothing but the 3D point group for 3 dimension. And it's an example. Write this. Okay. For remembering the order of crystal system, I have used one mnemonics. I hope everyone know Tom and Jerry cartoon. I have inspired by that cartoon and made my own mnemonics for the order of crystal system. Just remember this. Cat, Tom, transform, horse or rat. Cat, Tom, transform, horse or rat. From this mnemonics, I can collect C T O M T H R. Okay. Use this letters here. Use this letter here. C T O M T H R. You can use your own mnemonics. Don't bother about the grammar. Okay. Don't change this order of the letter C T O M T H R. Okay. You can use your own mnemonics in your own language. Okay. Don't bother about the language. So mnemonics is important and the letter order is very important, because based on this order you can prepare a pattern. That pattern help you to remember this crystal system. Okay. So based on this letter, C for cubic, C for cubic, T for tetragonal, O for orthorhombic, M for monoclinic, T for triclinic, H for hexagonal, R for rhombohedral. This is otherwise called as trigonal. Okay. C for cubic, T for tetragonal, O for orthorhombic, M for monoclinic, T for triclinic, H for hexagonal, R for rhombohedral or trigonal. Okay. So based on this, we can write the axial distance, interaxial angle, Bravais lattice, point group for 3 dimension, and examples. Okay, so for cubic, before I start the cubic, I will write the unit cell. Just remember this unit cell. So this is the origin. Up to this to this distance is A, this to this distance B, this to this distance C. Okay, so that is the axial distance. Okay, this is the axial distance. So based on this, I am going to use the pattern here. So for cubic, A equal to B equal to C, A equal to B equal to C for cubic and rhombohedral. A is equal to B equal to C, both comes the same. Okay, then A equal to B not equal to C for tetragonal and hexagonal. A equal to B not equal to C, both are same. Okay, then A not equal to B not equal to C, all are not equal. All are not equal. Okay, so based on this, you can write the axial distance. First, A equal to B equal to C, A equal to B equal to C, A equal to B not equal to C, A equal to B not equal to C. These three are A not equal to B not equal to C. Okay, then interaxial angle. Interaxial angle means this plane angle. So A to AB plane angle is gamma. Okay, AC plane the angle is beta, BC plane the angle is alpha, BC alpha, AC beta. Okay, so based on this, the interaxial angle we can write here. For for cubic, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So you write these three here. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. For rhombohedron, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. So that is the difference. Here all are equal, but here not equal to 90 degree. Okay, then you just remember the triclinic system is a asymmetric system. This is one of the asymmetric system, that is alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. The angles are not equal, alpha, beta, gamma, that is all three angles are different for triclinic. And the other system, monoclinic and hexagonal, alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree, beta is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, in hexagonal, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, gamma is equal to 120 degree. So based on this, you can write the interaxial angles. Okay, so you can remember this. Then you can use the Bravais lattice. Okay, for Bravais lattice, I will use the code here and write what is the code. So four type of Bravais lattice are there. P, primitive, so primitive unit cell. BC, body centered cube, body centered. BAC, base centered. FC, face centered. Okay, body centered, base centered, face centered. FC. So here write primitive to all. P P P P P P P. Okay, then BC for body centered for this T. Okay, then face centered for cubic and orthorhombic. Okay, then BSC for monoclinic and triclinic. Monoclinic and tri. Orthorhombic and monoclinic. Sorry, orthorhombic and monoclinic BSC. So base centered for orthorhombic and monoclinic. So you count the Brevis lattice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So total number of Brevis lattice is 14. So this is also one of the tricks to answer these questions. Okay. Then point group for 3-dimensional. For cubic, that is a symmetrical system, so that is comes under octahedral geometry. So that is octahedral point group OH we can use. So triclinic, the symmetry is highly disturbed, so this is the this comes under the asymmetric or asymmetric system. Cubic is a highly symmetric system, so for symmetric asymmetric we use the point group is CI. Okay, then nearby this triclinic you can write monoclinic. Okay, C, right? C here 2H. So other than this you can write D for all others. Okay, just remember rhombohedral or trigonal only have D3D point group, 3D 3D. Okay, all others have this. Near to C2H you can write D2H. Near to this you can write 4H. You can remember this 4 for tetra means 4, so 4H. This hexa, so you can write 6H. So based on this you can write the Schonflies notation. Okay, so they indirectly ask point groups using this notation. Okay, so based on this table you can write the questions. Okay, you can attend the questions. I hope you can answer the questions. Example you just copy from here. So example also important. Many exams they ask the examples also, so you just copy the example from here. I don't repeat that. First you can see sodium chloride belongs to crystal system represented by the crystal dimensions. So here they ask one example, sodium chloride. Okay, so if you know the table we can answer the crystal parameter here. Okay, so here the sodium chloride comes under the cubic system. So we know cubic system is a highly symmetric. Alpha, A is equal to B equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. Here alpha the answer for this. So based on this we can collect A equal to B equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So we can answer like this. Okay, then lattice parameter for monoclinic system. So we know monoclinic system. So if you know this system, monoclinic, A is not equal to B, not equal to C, alpha gamma is equal to 90, alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, beta is not equal to 90 degree. So here A, B, C is not equal to this, alpha equal to beta is equal to gamma. You can see other options. So no other options are like that. So this only have alpha not equal to A is not equal to B not equal to C, alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. Okay, a crystal has the lattice parameter A is not equal to B not equal to C and alpha equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. This is a crystal system. So from our table, A is not equal to B not equal to C, three systems, which are the system orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic. Okay, then check alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. So here there only one orthorhombic. A is equal to A not equal to B not equal to C, A equal to alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. So the answer orthorhombic. So number of rotational symmetry axis for triclinic crystal system. Rotational symmetry they ask for triclinic crystal. So triclinic crystals, I already told you, triclinic system is highly asymmetric, Ci. Okay, so there were no rotational symmetry, so the option is 0. Okay, the option is 0. So one more question, that is the advanced question. Based on this table you can answer. This is the advanced type question. The value of DLL, D is nothing but distance between the plane or interplanar distance. D 111 in a cubic crystal is to 325.6 picometer. The value of D 333 is, so I give the option. Okay, so interplanar distance, three formulas are there. Okay, so based on the crystal system you can answer this. Okay, here they ask the cubic crystal. Sometimes they change the crystal system: trigonal, orthogonal, monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal, rhombo.